Quite often, the importance of a sufficient skin stretch for application of your wax and removal of your wax for the eyebrow is overlooked. Let me demonstrate a practice technique that I highly recommend for the eyebrow. The perfect area to practice your brow application and stretch is on the forearm. It's a hair-free area, and what I've done is just drawn an eyebrow shape that I'm going to use to demonstrate. So the first point is the stretch that you achieve. A lot of people stretch from the tail of the brow, which doesn't secure this skin surrounding the brow. So the perfect stretch is with the middle finger and thumb stretching in opposing directions. On removal of your wax patch, we've got to make sure that this middle finger here doesn't become lazy, and we're going to maintain the stretch here whilst the thumb moves up with the removal of the patch. Now let me demonstrate. So place your stretch for application starting at the front of the brow. Keep your application really, really firm with your wax. Maintain the stretch, and once your patch is ready to be removed, we're going to make sure that the middle finger maintains the stretch whilst the thumb moves up. So we're going to move the thumb in line with the patch, but not lose the stretch on the middle finger.